Fried food is not healthy for you. Fried food is not healthy for you. Come, let me show you how to make healthy fried food. The last part will shock you. So continue watching. So to begin, all you need is your paprika and fresh onions, and next is to start by washing them. And also for this recipe, to achieve a delicious recipe like this one, make sure you use enough onions. Yes, so keep watching. So at this stage, I'm done cleaning up my paprika. Next is to transfer it into my Odogwu blender, Ninja blender. You can also slice yours. All you need to do is to go ahead and slice them into tiny pieces, but I prefer this blender because it grinds it perfect, just the way I want it. So lovelies, at this stage, just go ahead and peel the yam. So after peeling the yam, cut it to the size you are seeing just on your screen right now. You can also decide to peel and cut to your preferable way, but as for me, this size is perfect when you want to fry a yam. It also doesn't matter whichever way you want to slice yours, as far as you can be able to fry it and it will turn out good. It doesn't matter. So after I'm done cutting the yams and peeling them, next is to go ahead and rinse it with a clean water, as you can see. So continue watching. So right now, go ahead and transfer your minced blend peppers inside your frying pan. Next, add any vegetable oil of your choice. At this stage, make sure you are frying on a medium low heat. Next, I will go ahead and rinse my crayfish. The crayfish is optional to rinse or not to rinse. Some people, they don't like to rinse their crayfish while cooking with it. But the reason why is that sometimes when you use crayfish just like that to cook, believe me, some of them had sand. I'm sure you will not like to taste sand when you are eating this kind of food. You see guys, if you notice, I'm using fresh oil to fry. That is very important. If you want to eat fried things, make sure your oil is not oil you've been using for like 1 week. It's not healthy. That is the main reason why most doctors will tell you don't eat fried things, don't eat fried food, because when you go to street food, you don't know the kind of oil they use, you don't know how long they have been using the oil, so all those things can harm your system. But if you are preparing it in your house, most of you may find it difficult, but health is wealth.
A few moments later.
Even if you want to use oil that you've used before, make sure it's not more than once, highest twice, before you can use it. So at this stage, my veggies is ready. I did not fry it too much. At this stage, I will be introducing my mackerel fish. So right now, I just added a little of the sauce on the mackerel fish. Make sure I massage it very well, like to make sure that the sauce married inside the fish. Whichever way you want to explain it, but just make sure you apply the sauce very well on the fish, just as you are seeing on your screen. Okay guys, and for the fish, I skipped when I was cleaning. And if you want to know how to clean your mackerel fish, I have other videos I've cooked with mackerel fish. You can as well check them out. So next is to transfer it into my oven to grill. So keep watching. So if today is your first time coming across my video, you are new to my channel, hello, can we be friends? By clicking that sign that says subscribe, turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss out whenever I upload new videos like this. I normally upload videos on weekly basis, and to my OG returning subscribers, thank you guys so much for always tuning in. So keep watching. At this stage guys, I'm done frying the yam, nicely fried. You can see how yummy it's looking. This recipe is so delicious that I will advise you to give it a try, especially adding crayfish on it. Guys, the taste is so delicious, like sugary lekker. Honestly guys, this recipe is worth trying. It's worth it. Like, if you haven't given this recipe a try, what are you waiting for? Go to your kitchen and try it and come and thank me later. This is so delicious. To be honest, this recipe is yummy, sugary, and you don't need to break a bank to achieve this delicious recipe. So easy, so simple to achieve, and you are good to go. So tell me who will say that this food is not healthy or fried food is not healthy. Just tell me. So guys, our body also need fried food. So as you can see guys, I cannot come and kill myself. So me, that is the chef, I have to test and enjoy the food I cook. As I tested it, my brain was just doing me yummy, 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 yummy. Okay my lovelies, thank you so much for watching. If you watch this video to this extent, thank you so much. See you guys in my next upcoming video. As of now, I am out. Bye.